Hello guys, let's talk today about the MubView SD card installation. As you can see here, I have a MubView camera. It's a wireless spotlight security camera and it's already working. So the camera allows you to record into the SD card and also into the cloud. So if you want to install the SD card, just need to open this part here on the camera. Just remove this support here, this base, and open here, okay? So it's hard to open sometimes because it's protected against water. Here you go. But you can open the way, and here you can find your SD card. I already have one here. Let me just turn off my camera. So I press this button here and I hold to turn it off. So you can insert or remove your SD card like this, right? Make sure your camera is off. Mine is still not. Let me just press again. Here we go. Pressing the button here, and now it's off, right? And then I can remove the SD card, which I already have here. If you don't have one, you just need to purchase one and insert it here. Okay, it's a regular SD card. And I just put it here and push into place. And here again. Here we go. Okay, push into place here. And just close it here. If you have already your camera working with the app already, you just need to turn it on, which I forgot. Let me just open again here and turn it on. Here we go. Press here. And turn the camera on. Here I have it, right? Close here again. Quickly put this base into place again. And here I have it. It should be working. Let's just put some box here so you can see something in the camera, because I'm gonna bring my app here. Okay, so here is the MubView app. I click here to open it up, and here if I click here, if the camera is already up, I'm gonna see the image. Here we go, it's working. And here I can go to settings and select the SD card here. Okay, so recording management, that's the one. I see my SD card, capacity, remaining capacity. If you don't see the SD card here, you need to replace the new one that works, or format the SD card in your computer. But sometimes I don't see the SD card here. If you don't, you just need to insert a new SD card to test, okay? And here you can format your SD card. You click OK, and you're gonna wait for this to finish. It goes from 0 to 100%. Let's just wait. So here we go, 100%, it's done, you're ready to go. And now your camera is going to start recording, okay? So you have here, if every time there's motion in front of the camera is going to start recording because it works with the PIR sensor. So back here, when you have everything good, you make sure motion detection is enabled here. And then you're gonna check your recording here on the history when they are available. Okay, this time I have no recording. Let me just move my hand here in front of the camera, see if I can't trigger the camera recording. Okay, but basically it's going to take some time so the camera can record every time there's a motion in front of the camera, right? Here we go, moving my hand there. It's not seen as a human because it's just seeing a hand there, right? So I'm pretty close. Let me check here if there's some recording. Yeah, it is. There's some recording there. Moving my hand, it worked. Okay. So pretty good. It's working now. Now you know how to insert your SD card, format it, and start working with your MubView camera. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.